Hello everyone, I am Preeti and you are most welcome to Colourful Feathers. So today I will share with you how I made these beautiful and cheapest earrings at home. So let's start. At first I take a Fevicryl molded clay. It's a very affordable and good quality product and there is 2 packets in it and we have to mix these two. Then I gave it a thin shape like a loaf of bread and cut it with all these cutters. If you don't have any cutters like this, then don't worry, you can use lid of any container to cut round shape. It's my first time to making earrings, so I am so excited and little nervous at the same time. There is no specific rules and regulation. You can do as you wish, but you have to observe how I shaping up here. Then using this tool I make little hole on them as needed. Then let it dry for few hours, and I wanna tell you one thing, like one advantage of this clay, it will never break and it's too hard to break after drying. And then I am smoothing the edges by rubbing them with sandpaper. Then as a primer here I am using white acrylic colors. And I will paint as I like, but you can use any color you want. Then I will stick all the small pieces with jewelry making tools. Then I will paint the rest pieces. Here I am using the glue called araldite. It is a very good quality glue and once it is attached, it will never leave anymore, but it takes a little longer to dry. Then it is ready to use and oh my goodness, I can't explain you guys how happy I am with the final result. And here you can see that I wear all these and I am so happy. Please let me know which one you like more out of all these. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Bye bye.